Hello friends. In this video of networking, we are going to see network devices. So, what are the network devices we are using in the network that we will discuss? Now, the very first network device here is a modem, which is very important. Modem allow you to combine the power of your computer with the global reach of telephone system. Modem is a computer peripheral that allows you to connect and communicate with each other computer via telephone lines. Generally, whenever we take a internet connection, we have to use a modem here. It may be a internal or external modem, but it works on a modulation and demodulation. So that's the name is modem here. Because of ordinary telephone lines cannot carry digital information, a modem changes the digital form from your computer into analog data and it will be carried out on the telephone lines. In the similar manner, the modem receives the call, then changes the analog signal back into the digital data, and this process is called as the modulation and demodulation. So the main purpose of modem is to do modulation. Modulation is the process of sending data on a wave. Three types of modulation techniques are used: AM amplitude modulation, FM frequency modulation, PM phase modulation. Now, working of modem. In the working of modem, we are having microcontrolled terminal modem. Here, many times see the modem, which will have a few indicators on that. That indicators like CTS, DTR, DSR, and that lights blinks. This is actually used for communication over a telephone lines. We can see here the short forms are expanded here. RTS request to send, carrier detect, then data set ready, receive signal, clear to send, data terminal ready, like this. So these are the indicators on a modem which tells what is the status of the modem. Then we will go to the next part. There are two types of modems here. One is internal modem. It is a part of a CPU. In that even we can install on a motherboard, and other one is the external modem. Internal modems are that are fixed within the computer. External modems that are connected extremely to the computer as other peripherals are connected. Next one is a RJ45. It's actually a jack. RJ45 is a short form for registered jack. 45 is an 8-wire connector which is commonly used to connect computers on the local area network LAN. Especially on Ethernet. Ethernet is a LAN architecture developed by Xerox Corporation along with DEC and Intel. Ethernet uses either a bus or a star topology and support data transfer rates up to 10 Mbps. Now you can see the very first picture here. This is for the RJ45 connector. There is one more type of RJ45 connector. It's shown the pin arrangements are there, 8 pins, and RJ45 jack where we can have split the signal, and here inserting an RJ45 connector into its jack, that way it is given in the socket how it can be inserted. So this is a connector actually. Then comes the next one is Ethernet card. Generally it is called as a LAN card. This architecture is developed by Xerox Corporation in association with DEC and Intel. The Ethernet card is a LAN architecture developed by Xerox Corporation along with DEC and Intel. Ethernet uses either a bus or a star topology and supports data transfer rates of up to 10 Mbps. So here you can see it is also called as network interface card as well. Here is the one picture is given. Ethernet card and three types of connection it can support. Here where we can insert the RJ45 as well, and there are certain slots available in the CPU on the motherboard where we can install the Ethernet card. Nowadays these cards are inbuilt in the CPUs. Then comes the hub. Hub is a hardware device used to connect several computers together. A hub that contains multiple independent but connected modules of network and interconnected equipment. A similar term is a concentrator. A concentrator is a device that provides a central connection point for cables from workstation, server and peripherals. There are active hub and passive hub. Active hubs generally responsible for electrical amplification, but the passive hubs just pass from one computer to another without any change. How hub functions are given here. The hub forward any packets including email, word processing document, spreadsheets, graphics, print requests they receive over one port of one workstation to all of their remaining ports. Here all the users connected to a single hub or stack of stack of connected hubs are in the same segment. So if there is a hub and there are 5 computers connected to this hub, means that 5 computers are in a single segment. Now most the hubs are not available nowadays. These are the older versions. Now we are using it is replaced by the smarter device called as switch. Switch is a device that is used to segment the network into different subnetworks called as subnets or LAN segments. Here you can see here there are small subnetworks and these are connected to the switch, the main switch. Switch consists of, it is similar to the hub, it consists of ports where we can attach the LAN cables. A switch is responsible for filtering, that is transferring data in a specific way and for forwarding packets. Here in the picture you can see how it will work. This is the central one. This one is the switch. It's a 10 port switch and it is connected to other subnetworks. LAN that are segmented through switches are called as switch LAN. In this case the Ethernet LANs, they are called as switch Ethernet LAN. How switch works? To insulate the transmission from the other ports, the switch establish a temporary connection between the source and the destination and then terminates the connection once the conversation is done. Now here the next device is a repeater. Repeater is a network device that amplifies and restores signals for long distance transmission. When the devices are connected and the cable length becomes too long, the signal becomes weak. So we have to amplify the signal. So the repeaters are used to do the amplification. So here repeaters are also of two kinds, amplifier and a signal repeater. Then comes the next one is bridge. Bridge is a device that lets you to link two networks together. Bridge are smart enough to know which computer are on which side of the bridge, so that only allow those messages that need to get the other side across the bridge. So here you can see a bridge in between the two segments, LAN A, segment B, and it will the data not destined to for a device on the other network is prevented from passing over the bridge. Okay, so bridge is a network device that establish an intelligent connection between two local networks with the same standard but with different types of cables. Then comes a router. Router is a network device that is used to separate different segments in a network to improve performance and reliability. A router works like a bridge but can handle different protocols. Now next device is a gateway. A gateway is a device, a network device that connects dissimilar network. It establishes an intelligent connection between a local network and external network with completely different structure. In an enterprises, the gateway nodes often acts as a proxy server, a machine that is not actually a server but appears as a server, and a firewall, a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. The gateway is also associated with both a router, which uses headers and forwarding tables to determine where packets are sent, and which provides the actual path for the packet in and out of the gateway. Then next one is a Wi-Fi card, PCMCIA Wi-Fi card, Express card, Wi-Fi card, USB Wi-Fi card. So these are the internal as well external local area network adapters with built-in wireless radio and antenna. Most of the desktop computers are PCI Express Wi-Fi cards made to fit the PCI Express. Few laptops are required the PCMCI Wi-Fi card to connect to the internet. Then in the next video we are going to see a topic called as LAN design, and how we will what are the devices we required and what are the cables or which media we will use channels to form a computer network. So we till that thank you very much.